kind of digging this Toni look. This part right here is obviously a hot mess, but this side doesn't look that bad. What's up, you guys? It's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come out with yet another Riverdale video because I love Riverdale, but I wanted to come out with a full look. So I'll be doing makeup, hair, and an outfit. You know, the whole thing, so you guys could complete it or whatever. I'm gonna be doing the three girls, which are Veronica, Betty, and Cheryl, but this time I wanted to throw in Toni because I absolutely love her look. I also tried to make these looks pretty simple and basic and universal for everyone to do and buildable, so you could go from like one look to another. Like, let's just say you guys have a Halloween party, so you want to show up to the party as Veronica but then leave the party looking like Toni. Let's go costume change. To complete these looks, I will be using my 3-in-1 curling wand from Foxy Bae, who is the sponsor of this video. First of all, can we like just take a moment and admire how cute this packaging is? Like, it's rose gold, aka Navarose gold. Yes, rose gold wand. What's up? No, but really, the rose gold titanium is actually healthier for your hair and it keeps your hair shiny. Like, my hair is completely dead, so I don't feel as bad when I'm using hot tools. If you guys have watched my recent videos, there are some intros where my hair just looks a mess because I'm like, I can't put hot tools because it's dead and it's fried. So using this today was not bad at all. This specific titanium also helps to get long-lasting curls, so if your hair doesn't really hold a curl, this will be your best friend. It also has 3 interchangeable heads, so that way you guys could do multiple looks, and if you're traveling a lot, then that means you don't have to carry like a million curling irons. My favorite thing about this tool though is the temperature control. Like I said, my hair is like already fried, so the last thing I want to do is fry it even more. So this definitely helps me to get the specific temperature that I need so I do not damage my hair anymore. And it's pretty cool because it turns blue when it's ready. Right now, Foxy Bae has a ton of holiday bundles, so you guys can get more products in a bundle for a discounted price. And I also have a code for you babes, which is navarose, and that gets you 60% off site-wide. Yes, who loves sales? Don't forget to check out Foxy Bae. I'll put all the proper links down at the bottom in the description box. And now back to our Riverdale video. But before we jump into it, if you guys are new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss on the next time that I post. Oh, that hair flip! Let's go, Toni hair. Yes. Okay, sorry, I'm like getting sidetracked. So let's get on to this Riverdale video. First up, we're gonna start with Veronica, since both her hair and her makeup are very simple. I decided to throw it back one and use the first Naked palette in Darkhorse, and I blended this into my crease. Then I took Wet n Wild's liquid eyeliner, which by the way, you guys, is like one of my favorites, and I drew a small baby eyeliner wing. Baby eyeliner wing, doo-doo-doo-doo. These are like my everyday lashes, so I 100% threw the case away. But these are just the cherry lashes that are like $2 in WSP. Then to finish off my makeup look, I used the lipstick Cherry by Urban Decay, since Vanessa, who is Vanessa? Come on. Since Veronica always has a deep berry lip. Oh my gosh. For my hair, I used the largest barrel that it came in. First, I split my hair down the middle, sprayed some heat protectant spray all over, and then I curled all the pieces of my hair in one direction for each side, so that all the curls were curled away from my face. For my bangs, I slightly curled them with the wand, and then I combed through all the curls to kind of make them merge together to become one big giant curl. Spray this with some hairspray and you are completely finished. I tied a small ribbon on my waist just to kind of break up the pattern and cinch my waist in a little bit. And this houndstooth dress I actually stole from my mom because, you know, this is like not something I would ever wear and have in my closet. It is cute though. And I paired it with some sling back pumps, a small handbag, and some pearl jewelry. Transitioning from Veronica to Betty was super easy. All I did was take off my berry lipstick, and then with my cellar water and a Q-tip, I removed the harsh line from the eyeliner wing. I then gave it a smudged look with this smudgy, I don't know, pencil brush. I really don't know, guys. I'm not a beauty guru. I do not know what this brush is called. And then I also used this brown eyeshadow called Chocolate Diamond from the Morphe palette. And to finish off the makeup look, I just used Urban Decay's lip gloss in Obsessed. Literally, guys, all you guys have to do for Betty's hair is just a high pony. I mean, I know she does other hairstyles, but like, let's be real, 95% of the time she wears a ponytail. And more clothes that I stole from my mom's closet. Betty's style is very casual with a lot of basics, so I'm wearing this pink sweater with a button up underneath and some H&M jeans. I highly doubt Betty would ever wear Nike Air Force Ones, but you know what? Any white sneakers will do. Cheryl Blossom is obviously one of my favorite characters of the show, and her hair is long and full, so I wanted to use extensions to get the full look. I added 16-inch extensions and used the same barrel to curl them. Since my hair was already curled towards the back from Veronica's tutorial, I curled all the extensions toward my face this time. This gave more dimension to my hair since all the curls are going in different directions. Before putting in the rest of my extensions, I parted my hair to the side like Cheryl's, and then I finished the rest of my hair. For makeup, all I did was add the eyeshadow flecks in my crease, and then for my eyelid, I added Fool's Gold, which are both from the Morphe palette. And of course, it isn't Cheryl Blossom without a red lip, and this one is the lipstick Chili from MAC. By the way, you guys, look at my nails. Like, doesn't it fit so well? These are like a total upgrade from my broken ones. So Cheryl also wears a spider brooch or a cherry one. I don't got a cherry one, so I used my earring. Yes, an earring. And I put it through my top. This is actually my mom's top though, but I poked it through the seam of the shirt, so I didn't make a hole technically. Her outfit is an off-shoulder red top with a leather skirt and thigh-high boots. Everything is bodycon since of course Cheryl is all about that fitted and sexy style. Last but not least, we have Toni, who is one of my new favorites because I just vibe so well with her style. I'm starting off by putting Stone Fox from the same Morphe palette all over my lid. Then I put Hidden Gem in my crease and a little bit under my eye. Guys, I literally use this palette for everything. Next, I took my smudgy brush and I smudged some eyeliner onto my lash line to give it a smoky look. I then took off my red lip, and to finish off the look, I used a matte nude lipstick. I am running out. This is so sad. Obviously, this is my favorite because there's like none left. For hair, we're gonna switch it to the smallest barrel on the Foxy Babe wand. If it's still a little warm, you guys, you can also use the glove that it comes with to take it off. I'm just curling small random sections to add more texture to Toni's hair. Then I parted my bangs to the side and did two little side half ponies. A hairstyle I actually do quite often. To color my hair pink, I'm just using this spray that I bought from my local beauty store. As you guys can see, I went a little too crazy on the right side because look at my poor little bright bangs. So sad. In my previous Riverdale tutorial, I showed you guys how to make a removable Southside Serpents patch. So if you guys want to learn how to make that, don't forget to check it out. I'll put the links in the description box. And for Toni's outfit, I'm just using a black bodysuit, some cutoff shorts, a flannel tied around my waist, and my Southside Serpent jacket. So much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got some inspiration. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs to let me know that. Really guys, let me know if I should dye my hair pink because I totally would do it. It'll fade anyway, so it'll be temporary. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. Don't forget to check out the Foxy Babe curling wand down below. I'll put all the proper links, and don't forget to use my discount code navarose for 60% off the whole site. I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!